Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Codia AI Design feature in Canva platform. So here I can go and type canva.com. Now on the left side, this one is the dashboard menu. So I'm using this one, free account. Now let me scroll down, then click on three dots, then apps. Now here search for Codia AI Design. Then select this one. Within couple of seconds, here different tools appear. Then the first one, this one is the tool that we are going to use. So select this one. And now scroll down. Here you can select the existing design from your projects that you have already uploaded. After that you can create a new design. Here you can select the size, select the custom size. So let me add 1280, then 720. After that click here, create new design. So now Canva is open here. Let me scroll down, click here connect button. Then after that we need to upload our design. So let me select one of the design from here, this one. Okay, this one is the simple design, not too much complex. After that click add to design. Now here you can see it is scanning. So we will get exact design here. Here you can see how it is working. So entire process is awesome. That's great. Now you can just click on any of the text from here. Then simply you can add your own text. For example, here you can see text is changed. So now if you want to change this image, then you need to upgrade the Canva Pro. So I have added another video about the Canva Magic and Canva Text Grab feature. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube